This video in my Linux Mint 1080 tutorials channel will show how to create Linux restore points with Timeshift. In Linux, restore points are called snapshots. Note, I had previously installed Timeshift. Click on Menu and up in search bar type Timeshift. Right-click on green icon and left-click on Add to Panel. Timeshift icon is now on the panel. If you can't find Timeshift, left-click on Menu and on Administration, then on Software Manager. Up in search bar type Timeshift. I had previously installed Timeshift. You may need to install it. To run Timeshift, I had to enter my password and then press on Authenticate. I enlarged the folder and pressed on Settings. I also enlarged the Settings folder. Under Type, I left the default as RSYNC. Under Location, select where you want the snapshot to be saved. Under Schedule, select how often you want the snapshot saved and how many to keep. Under Users, I selected the bottom option. Under Filters, I selected the top option. And under Miscellaneous, I selected Date, Month, Year rather than USA format. I then closed the Settings folder. I will now press on Create to create a snapshot of my Linux system today. To keep the video below 5 minutes, this section has been sped up. My Linux computers are running well, so I don't need to restore any to an earlier date, like I often have to with Windows computers. Look in comments below this online video for a YouTube link to my other Linux Mint 1080 tutorials. If you enjoyed this video, so may your Linux friends. Subscribe to this Linux channel to be advised when I upload future video tutorials.